So hi guys, in the last session we have talked about the secrets, static secret, dynamic secrets, and key value secret engines. So there was a term which we called as a secret engine over here, and right now we'll walk through on the same. So what we gonna learn? We gonna learn about the overview of the secret engines. Then what kind of what are the types of secret engines which we had, and then we had just secret commands. Now, when we talked about secret engines are actually a component which help you, which is having an responsibility to store, generate, or encrypt your secrets. So whenever you hit a command of put, when you hit a command of get, or when you hit a command of delete over there, secret engines actually do all the operational activities which can be done to get or to have the read the code things over there, which means create, update, read, and delete. So there are a number of secret engines available. When we talked in the last session was more of a key vault engine, secret engine, or key value secret engine, which we said, and it can be treated as in like plugins. So when you want to enable it, when you want to enable that secret engine, you just need to hit the command. In the previous session, we have used the mount secret flag. If you have seen that, so I have used this mount secret flag, right? So what it actually do in that area, the key value secret engine actually enable it to the part secret slash. In such a manner, when we use different kind of secret engines, at that point of moment, that would lead to the different other parts. So for example, we had this vault key KV get mount secret foo. So eventually what it gonna do is it gonna translate it to secret slash foo. So that was the means syntax which we use as in prefix or as in the without the mount flag, and with the mount flag you just need to say where to have it stored, right? So we talk like secret engines are just like plugins. So what kind of secret engines are there in this whole paradigm? So we are talking about Hashicorp Vault paradigm, where this identity validation, secret retrievals, and the authorization take place. And one of the thing which is important is the secret engines. So now authentication method is here. You can see this token, custom Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, AWS, Google Cloud, or the Azure, where with the help of LDAP, Radius, Kubernetes, GitHub, JWT, or the PKI certificates. In the same time, in the same manner which we have, we already have the key values, the database, the transits, SSH, time-based OTP, Azure, Google Cloud, AWS console, Nomad, PKI certificates, and the custom. These are our secret engines. So let's suppose if you want to store the secrets for the database, that point of moment, the secret engines works like that. In the same manner, if you want to work it for the different clouds, it would be work according to that. So let's suppose we have integrated Azure or AWS, and when we hit Vault, seek get the path for the AWS, that point of moment it's gonna fetch you the all the details for the AWS itself. So this actually works in such a manner that the each plugins which have their own capability works on that manner. Now we have taken an example for key values, right? And we also talked about that key values actually enabled by default in the dev mode. So let's actually go and see what are the commands which is there we can do to enable a secret engine. So you can see now we have enabled the key KV secret engine at this path. Similarly, we can do it for other two. So let's suppose this is for AWS. Similar in a similar manner, you can do it for Azure. Yeah. So to enable any secret, you just need to do what secrets enable the path in which all the relative secrets for that specific secret engine would store in the storage backend and the secret engine name. So that is a syntax to enable it. So once you enable it, you can just then work on the things like yeah, this world secrets list. You can see in AWS there is nothing over here. Identity nothing, KV nothing, secrets key value is having nothing, and in a similar manner same. So you can see this KV is the same. So let's suppose we want to mount it to KV. So now the data has been written in KV foo, not in the secret. Why it's so? It's just because both are the type having the key values, right? But I just want to store it in a different variable. It happen in such a manner. So let's suppose in an organization you have different vaults, right? So there is a vault which is in this path for a project. Let me do like this. Now in project one, you have a certain credential which you need to save. And the mount path would be. So in this manner, what happened is that in the project one vault, it gets stored, right? So you just need to go project one. Sorry. There was nothing about foo, it was user data. Now you can see we got an username as in key values, right? In such a manners, we can get our things done. So moving on. Now we know how to enable any specific type of secret engines and how to store values in it. In a similar manner, what you can do is you can actually go into the Hashicorp Vault official documentation and enable any kind of secret engine over there. Now, if you want to actually disable the any vault, so you just need to go for vault secrets, disable, and the project one. So now see, you have actually disabled it. Now, when you try to access it, it gives you in 403 return because now that particular project has been disabled. So in this manner, you actually help each and every aspect of it. And the vault is actually working in such a manner where you can not only having a right or having a control over leasing or putting the secrets, but also having a area to roll it back. So that is the beauty of Vault as of now. So in the next session, what we gonna do is we gonna talk about dynamic secrets. Okay. So in dynamic secrets, we will take one secret engine and we'll work on it on the same. So thank you guys.